gras campaign. So I can talk a little bit through how I'm suggesting that our group go through the process of a foie gras campaign. So the first thing you need to do is to decide what issue you want to work on and that you have the people resources to keep it up. It must be something that your group is really interested in doing and you're willing to see through the end. And we discussed this quite strongly within our group. We have about 15 main people who are doing in Santa Clara County the foie gras campaign. And as far as I'm concerned, if you're going to pick a store, a restaurant, and you're going to pick foie gras, you're pretty much saying that is where you're going to be until you achieve what you want to achieve. Because the minute you back off, we look weak. And we can't have that. So my feeling is that's why the preparation and the research that you do is really critical before you start any type of campaign. And you have to remember, and it's very, if any of you are in, I guess, primates, if any of you are in campaigns that you've been doing for a long time, you know, you have to accept that a part of any campaign is the amount of time it's going to take you to get through and achieve your victory. And it may be quick, it may take weeks, but it may take years or decades. And after having doing this work for a long time, sometimes it takes that long. And sometimes in how you plan your campaigns. So, you know, and I know this, I ran a campaign against Procter & Gamble for indefensive animals for about 4 years. And then I ran a campaign against Whole Foods Market under Viva USA, and I really thought Whole Foods Market is going to be a piece of cake. You know, they get the issue, they understand what we're talking about, but it was actually much harder for me to come up against a corporation that I thought knew better than it was a corporation who I thought was already despicable to begin with. So when we start all of these, we have to make sure that we have the confidence that we can win. And some of it is making sure that you see the difference between a short-term campaign and a long-term campaign. And I think it's really important in any campaign work that you do, you try to incorporate that.